So it's cold out today. We're back here at the barn. We got the roof all down. There's some walls that are standing with just wood, a little bit more tin on the walls that have to come down. Today we're probably going to start getting some of the stuff off the floor. We've got segregated piles, we've got tin, we've got lumber that is not savable, just good, that needs to get hauled away. Other wood we've cut up that's going to be able to be reused for different projects on the property. Then we've got some metal, aluminum, all that stuff needs to be taken to the scrapyard. But before we can proceed with getting any more equipment in here, we've got to get all these piles of stuff removed. So that's what we're going to work on today. It's chilly out today. Hopefully the rain doesn't rain us out. Looks like the sun's coming out. So that's what we're going to do today.
That wind kicks up, it'll take a few of these walls down for us because a couple of them are just about ready to go. We got cracked posts and and just to be clear, we're not bringing all of our metal to the scrapyard, just the stuff that's junk.
Right, just the junk.
Just the junk. All right, here we go. Another day. Here we go, off to the scrapyard. Wonder how much we'll get. Yesterday we took aluminum in and we got, what, 120?
250 pounds.
240 pounds, yeah. All right, so we'll see what we weigh today.
So we had about a ton.
About a ton of steel. And what's steel worth right now, you think?
Maybe 150 a ton.
Okay, so do your math. What is, how much is that then?
About 150.
About 150?
If we had about a ton and it's 150 a ton, then it's about 150.
Okay. So new barn, 200,000. Old barn,
80 bucks.
80 bucks. Okay, yeah, you were right. I think it was like 168 we got. We're in the money. Where are we going for lunch? The whole barn is down.
Yeah.
We started like in July. Oh my goodness. Well, we got all this cleanup to do. Clean up and sorting the good wood again from the bad, but home stretch. It looks really goofy with that lean-to staying there. Maybe we'll have to take some of our used siding and pretty it up a little bit.
Well, we can make it look a little bit better.
So we have to leave parts of the barn standing because that way it's considered a remodel, and the property taxes are lower than if it were a complete new build. So it's just going to look goofy for a while because we're going to leave some posts up and the ugly lean-to. And the red door, got to keep the red door way over there in the corner. If it doesn't all blow away this winter, the red door will still be there.